Attention realtors. Are you tired of lackluster showings that leave buyers unimpressed? A clean home can be the difference between a quick sale and a property that lingers on the market. At Tidytex Home Cleaning, we understand the stakes. That's why we've crafted the ultimate clean home checklist to ensure your listings dazzle potential buyers. Start by decluttering spaces. A clean slate allows buyers to envision their future. Next, tackle those dust bunnies lurking in corners. Nobody wants to buy a dusty home. Pay special attention to kitchens and bathrooms, as these are key decision-making areas. Windows? Give them a good scrub to let in natural light, creating an inviting atmosphere. And here's a quick tidy tip. Before every showing, open all the blinds and turn on lights. A well-lit, bright home feels warm and welcoming, showcasing its best features effortlessly. Our reliable, veteran-owned cleaning service specializes in quick turnarounds, ensuring your listings are ready for open houses and buyer visits. Don't let a dirty home cost you a sale. Check the video description for more details, and contact us today to elevate your real estate game with Tidytex.